Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arya Nathaniel, working in Department of Zoology in Agate Institutions. Today we are going to discuss about nodal tissues in the structure of human heart. That means conducting system of human heart. Previously discussed about the structure of heart, atria and ventricles. Next, nodal tissues in the human heart. We'll discuss in this class. So nodal tissues, generally we can tell that are the specialized modified cardiac musculature. The specialized modified cardiac musculature which is distributed in the heart called as nodal tissues. And that nodal tissues in heart includes sinoatrial node, atrioventricular node, bundle of His, bundle branches, and Purkinje fibers. We can observe sinoatrial node which is located in the upper right corner of the right atrium. Upper right corner of the right atrium contains sinoatrial node near the opening of superior vena cava into the right atrium. Same way, AV node. AV node is located on the lower left corner of the right atrium. The lower left corner of the right atrium contains atrioventricular node. Atrioventricular node. This atrioventricular node runs downwards into the ventricles and passes through the interventricular septum. So it passes through the interventricular septum as His bundle of His. This bundle of His, because it is discovered by His, so that's why you can tell bundle of His. That bundle of His bifurcate into right bundle branch and left bundle branch. So like we can observe bundle of His in the interventricular septum bifurcated into a right bundle branch and left bundle branch. Right bundle branch innervates into the right ventricular wall and it contains a number of fibers called Purkinje fibers. Like we can observe, right bundle branch contains many branches which are innervated into the ventricular wall, right ventricular wall, called Purkinje fibers. Similarly, left bundle branch also contains so many branches innervates into left ventricular wall called Purkinje fibers. Purkinje fibers are bifurcated. Purkinje fibers are innervated into the ventricular walls. So like we can observe nodal tissues in the structure of human heart. See here, nodal tissues in heart, sinoatrial node, SAN, SAN. Same way, atrioventricular node, AVN, bundle of His, right and left bundle branches, Purkinje fibers. Here, sinoatrial node can generate action potentials without any external stimuli. That's why sinoatrial node is called as pacemaker. Sinoatrial node is called pacemaker. Same way, Atrioventricular node, AV node. AV node receive the impulses or action potentials and transmit to the bundle of His and bundle branches. That's why AV node is considered as a relay point which relay the impulses. A relay point, or we call it as pace setter. Sinoatrial node is called as pacemaker. Atrioventricular node is called as pace setter. Pace setter which receive the impulses and transmit the impulses. That's why call it is pace setter. Bundle of His. His bundle is a connection between the Purkinje fibers and AV node. That means Purkinje fibers receive impulses through the bundle of His from the AV node. So right and left bundle branches. Bundle of His divides into right and left bundle branches. Purkinje fibers present in the walls of the ventricles, that also considered as nodal tissues, or cardiac, modified cardiac musculature present in the heart. So these are considered as nodal tissues which are present in the conducting system of heart. See, we can observe a patch of this tissue is called sinoatrial node, is present in the right upper corner of the right atrium near the opening of superior vena cava. We can observe nodal tissue sinoatrial node, upper right atrium or right upper corner of the right atrium, just near the opening of superior vena cava. See, this sinoatrial node consists of specialized cardiomyocytes. Cardiomyocytes are the specialized cells present in the sinoatrial node which can generate action potentials. It has the ability to generate action potentials without any external stimuli. That means sinoatrial node can generate action potentials without any stimulus from the central nervous system, or without any nervous stimulus which can generate action potential. That's why human heart can generate action potentials without any nervous stimulus or without any external stimuli. That's why human heart is considered as myogenic heart. When it comes to another invertebrates like arthropods, exactly we studied cockroach. Cockroach heart is not myogenic, which is controlled by the nervous system. That's why the heart which controlled by the nervous system is called as neurogenic heart, whereas human heart is not neurogenic because nervous stimulus cannot initiate action potentials. The modified nodal tissues present in the heart which can generate action potentials without any stimulus. That's why we call human heart is called as myogenic heart. See, the sinoatrial node SAN is generating action potentials without any external stimuli. That's why it is called as pacemaker. Sinoatrial node is considered as pacemaker because it can generate action potentials without any external stimuli. Another mass of nodal tissues, another mass of this tissue is called atrioventricular node, AV node. This is seen in the lower left corner of the right atrium. SAN is also present in the right atrium. It is on the upper right corner. So AV node also present in the right atrium, that is lower left corner of the right atrium. It is present close to the atrioventricular septum. We can observe atria and ventricles are separated by AV septum or atrioventricular septum. So this AV node is present in the lower left corner of the right atrium, close to the atrioventricular septum or close to the AV septum. See, bundle of nodal fibers called atrioventricular bundles. Atrioventricular bundles are AV bundle or bundle of his bundle. Atrioventricular bundle or bundle of his is present, which is runs downwards from the AV node into the interventricular septum. See, it continues from the AV node into the interventricular septum. Continues into the ventricles from the AV node. It divides into right and left bundle branches. So you can observe AV node passes downwards as bundle of his. Bundle of his divides into right and left bundle branches. So these branches gives rise to minute fibers called Purkinje fibers that extend throughout the ventricular musculature. We can observe here Purkinje fibers are the minute fibers distributed in the ventricular walls. That means right and left bundle branches gives rise to Purkinje fibers which extend into the ventricular musculature or ventricular walls. That means we can tell here sinoatrial node generate action potentials reach to the atrioventricular node. So this sinoatrial node releases action potentials to every 0.8 seconds. That means the average about 70 to 75 action potentials generated by the SA node. That's why human heartbeat about 70 to 75 heartbeats. Generally, sinoatrial node has the ability to generate action potentials about 100 per minute. Average 70 to 75. It has the ability to generate 100 action potentials. Average 70 to 75. So that action potentials are reached to the both atria. When action potential reaches to both atria contract. Simultaneously action potentials reach to the AV node. AV node pass the action potentials through the bundle of his into right and left bundle branches. This right and left bundle branches passes to the Purkinje fibers. Purkinje fibers releases action potentials into the ventricular walls. When action potentials released into the ventricular walls, both ventricles also contract. So conduction of the action potential by the nodal tissues. That's why nodal tissues conduct the action potentials. So heart conducting system made up of cardiac musculature, modified cardiac musculature called nodal tissues. This nodal tissues helpful for the conducting the action potential that is generated from the sinoatrial node and pass to the atria, simultaneously reach to the AV node also. AV node receive the action potentials and transmit the action potentials through the bundle of his right and left bundle branches and into Purkinje fibers. Here sinoatrial node generate action potentials without any external stimuli, hence sinoatrial node is called as pacemaker. AV node receive the action potentials and which is considered as pace setter or relay point. If sinoatrial node is not functioning properly, artificial pacemaker is implanted in the chest region. That artificial pacemaker can generate action potentials same as like that of sinoatrial. So sinoatrial node if not functioning properly, the sinoatrial node due to infection or sinoatrial node is not functioning properly, artificial pacemaker implanted that act as a pacemaker to generate action potentials. So like we can observe conducting system in human beings. Human heart is considered as myogenic heart, not neurogenic heart. Here these nodal tissues are not nervous tissue. Nodal tissues are modified cardiac musculature. Sinoatrial node, atrioventricular node, bundle branches, Purkinje fibers, all are modified cardiac musculature. Especially cardiac musculature which is present in the human heart contains intercalated discs that act as a communication junctions. That's why action potentials which pass from sinoatrial node to the both atria at a time due to presence of that intercalated discs which allows the action potentials throughout the cardiac musculature. That's why we can tell sinoatrial node releases action potentials into the atria. Both atria contract as a unit due to presence of this intercalated discs in the cardiac muscle. That's why cardiac muscle which is helpful for the allow the action potentials due to presence of intercalated discs which act as a communication junctions. So like conduction occurs in the human heart as a nodal tissues which are present in the human heart.